Hello and welcome to my channel Physics for Students. My name is Shounak and I want to announce the date for this month's free webinar on Einstein General Theory of Relativity. Yes, the date is 30th of September, which is a Saturday, and the webinar starts at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Saturday 30th September starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. You can very well participate in Einstein's General Theory of Relativity, an absolutely free webinar which will be conducted on my channel Physics for Students. The question is that how will you register? Very simple. All you need to do is register your name at this email ID, send me an email at this email ID and little bit mention about yourself, and most importantly mention your WhatsApp number. Now why I am saying WhatsApp number? Because I will be sending the Google Meet via email as well as through WhatsApp. Now when I say that please tell me a little bit about yourself, I don't want to tell that those people who are only from science and mathematics background can participate. Absolutely not. I will wholeheartedly welcome people from non-science, non-mathematics background. Please come and participate in this webinar. The entire purpose of this webinar is to teach people Einstein's General Theory of Relativity in a very easy and simple manner, in a manner that everybody can understand and anyone can understand. So it is not that you have to be a math or a grad or a science or a physics background. No, you can be just a science enthusiast. You have to have that curiosity and liking in your mind that yes, I want to learn Einstein's General Relativity. So the procedure is, once you send me the email, I will be sending you a confirmation. This confirmation will be via email. Then on Saturday morning, I will be sending you the Google Meet link via your email as well as via WhatsApp. So you can log in through your phone, computer, laptop, it doesn't matter. All you need is a webcam to see and a headphone to listen to our conversation. First of all, I would like to thank to the subscribers who really joined for the last two webinars. The response was great. And I can tell you that you will be immensely benefited after watching this webinar. Right on the screen, I will show you some of the screenshots, people who came in, people who participated, people who actively participated. And these are some of the great feedback which all the students and subscribers and professors has given to me all across the globe. And these are very honest feedback, and I'm thankful for that. So from this, I want to make you understand that this is a webinar which is going to give value to your life and which you're going to enjoy. And you're going to learn relativity not in a very complex mathematical manner, neither in a very intuitive manner, but in a manner which is much better, much profound, and you feel confident in maybe taking up Einstein General Relativity as a specialization or as a master's or doing further research into it. Now there are two changes which I have done apart from the last two webinars I have done. The first thing is that I am providing a free participation certificate. Yes, it is a free participation certificate sent to those who are attending the webinar, and I would request that those who are actively attending and listening to the webinar. Now what do I mean by actively attending? I mean to say the basic idea of this webinar is to teach. Obviously, I am doing this video to let you all know. I will be speaking, I will be answering the question. The basic idea is to educate you, is to teach you that yes, you learn this and you learn sufficiently well, so that during the webinar, please stay till the end, because that gives a lot of encouragement to other people and always to me, because at the end we draw a conclusion. But the entire learning. The second thing which I wanted to do is that out of the, one of the subscribers, Kevin, actually was talking to me over WhatsApp over a problem of general relativity which is called the law of conservation of energy. I don't want to expand right now, but this was not included in my last webinar, and in this webinar I'm including a special slot for that, because during 1915 to 16 in Göttingen, when Einstein had already published webinar, there was a problem. The problem was that David Hilbert, Albert Einstein and Felix Klein found that the law of conservation of energy is something may be violated. Now obviously if the law of conservation of momentum, energy, these things are violated, then how can a scientific theory be considered as true? How can you stand on that scientific theory? So during that time there was a lady who is being called a profound mathematician, physicist by the name of Emmy Noether. And there are two theorems which Noether found, the first and the second, and I want to speak about that fascinating history and how that wonderful, great, prodigious mathematician Emmy Noether actually saved Felix Klein, David Hilbert and Albert Einstein, saved the Einstein's general relativity from the problem of law of conservation. So she actually, you can say, saved the ship from sinking, and that is Noether's theorem. It is wonderful, but I won't tell you right now. It is quite elaborative, a little bit complex, containing symmetry and other things, and this is a new inclusion in the webinar which I have not done in the last 2 webinars. Thanks to the subscriber Kevin, who has actually told me. I'm working on that and I'm including that in general relativity. So 2 things. One is the new certificate which you will be getting, and second is the inclusion of the Noether's theorem in general relativity. So all you need to do is just write me an email with the WhatsApp number and you are registered. I will send you an email, and see you on 30th of September, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time on my channel Physics for Students, and we will explore a fascinating world of Einstein's relativity. See you there. Goodbye.